Okay, welcome to the fourth video in the Geography Skills series. In this lesson, we are going to learn about area references. Area references are give a four-figure reference point on a map. So it's used to communicate to somebody else a location on a map. Okay. To give an area reference for a feature, we need to find the easting that the feature is just to the right of, and then we write the number down. Okay, so if you look over here where my mouse is and my laser pointer, these are imaginary lines that don't actually exist on the ground, but we put them on top of maps. We overlay them on a map, and you'll see that we have numbers at the bottom of the line, numbers at the top of the line, and you'll notice that we go from 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and the numbers get bigger towards the east. So that direction is east, and we've gone 34, 35, 36, 33, getting bigger. Okay, they're also often labeled at the top of the map as well. Okay, so they're called eastings. Then we have northings. All right, these are numbers that increase as we go to the north. So we've got line number 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. The numbers are going higher as we head to the north. Okay, so we've got to find the easting that the feature is just next to. So when we say feature, okay, with feature, we actually mean, in this case, we'll get, as an example, we'll look at this little dot here. Okay, all right, so you can see our numbers down the bottom. These are our eastings, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So if we're looking for the box in which this dot is, the feature, we've got to count 34, 35, 36, and then 08. All right, that's where the feature is. So it's the line to the left of it, this one here. And so we're talking about number 36. Okay, so easting line number 36. All right, it says write the number down. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so it is A, R, for area reference, and we write down 36. Okay, 36. The next step is to look immediately next to the number, write down the number of the northing that the feature is just above. Now, the wording's a bit confusing, but I'll show you what I mean. So now looking at our northings, we go 18, 19, 20, and 08. Okay, we don't get to 21. Here's feature. Okay, here's the feature here. Okay, so we get to line 20, but we don't cross 21, so we've got to write down the number 20. And then all of a sudden, we have our four figures that make up area reference. Okay, I'm going to do it in text form. I think it's a bit easier. Okay, we'll do the letter A now. Okay, so for A, we have AR. Okay, and we count across 34, 35, 36, 37. We don't cross 38, so we write down 37. Okay, and then we do our northings. We count up 18, 19, 20, 21. We don't cross 22, so we write down 21. And that, boys and girls, is our area reference for the letter A, the feature letter A. Okay, that's how we calculate area reference. Some of the key terms to remember here are eastings and northings. And when we put one on top of the other and then put it on a map, we end up with a grid system like this. Okay, that's area reference. Stay tuned for our next lesson on grid reference.